Alright, it's time to prioritize. First priority, cup of coffee. What I got is I got the Yoler grate. Since I brought the truck, I can carry any weight I want. Get that sucker on. It's nice and big. Get my Trangia kettle. Alright. Get that sucker going. Nice. Alright. My coffee mug. I cream my sugar. My coffee. I've shown this bags before. Very cool. It's my coffee bag. I got the GSI drip. I actually had a littler bag too, but I couldn't find it. I'll have to tear the house apart. Open it up. And what I did is I put a zip top bag on the inside. That way I wouldn't get coffee grounds all in the seams and whatnot. This is Black Rifle coffee. I got this idea from Ray Mears when he did his, oddly enough, his Bannock video. He had his own leather pouches, but he had zip top bags inside, probably to keep the bags clean and they wouldn't, you know, get all smelly from scents and whatnot. He had raisins, brown sugar, a bunch of stuff, and he actually made Bannock. So my water is going nuts because I walked away. Just pour that over the grounds. Why are you tilting? Damn. All right. Well, that sucked. Alright, so I got the Stanley Cook and Prep set. And you can see I got one of these Asian market screens at the bottom. Perfect fit. And what I'm going to do, put a little water in there, because I'm going to do a steamed vegetable today. Make sure it's not on the bottom. Good. And then I got my trusty skillet. I have to walk around and get on. I got just a little bit of olive oil. Maybe a ½ ounce, I think. I'll show you why here in a second. I gotta pour my water again. Alright, I got my food bag here. Where is it? There it is. What I have here is some bacon bits, or bacon. I only added a little oil just to lube the pan initially so the bacon doesn't stick to it. It's pepper bacon. The next part of my meal is going to be broccoli. I actually like steamed broccoli. It's like one of the few vegetables I like. They're going. As you can see, it's not like I have a ton of it in here. Cut that in half. Let steam and do its thing. Oh, I forgot a piece, but it's alright, we'll just eat it. Back to the coffee. I totally ran out of water. I should have ran more through, but oh well. I have a cup of coffee though. A little cream. Got one of these Truvia sweeteners. Yeah, I want a little coffee with my cream. Cheers, one and all. Funny, the water kind of cooled down a little bit. It's a little strong too. Whew. You have to find a way to measure out the Black Rifle coffee for the perfect cup. All right. So coffee or broccoli takes about 20 minutes. It's boiling nicely. Bacon is crisping up. Gotta make sure to stir it so it doesn't only cook one side. I think I mentioned tongs. I really wish I'd brought them. Alright, so I'm going to try to do is pour this grease off and then pour it on this paper here, which wants to blow away this. Use the lid. Ow. not get rid of all the bacon, because I have, and of course I didn't get it out. Oh, it's already open. It's a pub burger patty, and it was only $3 at the store. So rather than buying ground beef and mixing it up, I opted to just get a patty. So that's what she looks like. Crap, I forgot a step. I was going to salt the underside, but I'll just throw a little salt on top. A little kosher salt. Nice. Try the bacon. Delicious. Have I mentioned yet that smoke is a douche? I'm not sure I mentioned it yet in this video, but I'll remind everybody, smoke is an absolute douche. Let me go ahead and flip on our burger. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh man. Look at that. Nice coloration. And I don't mind my ground beef being a little medium rare. A little bit of little salt, not much, because I got salt on the other side. Just a wee sprinkle, as it were. Check on the broccoli. Cooking right along. Man, such a great way to steam broccoli. Tell you what, you could steam broccoli, carrots, all kinds of vegetables. It's looking good too. I have mushrooms as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move it, when it's done, I'm going to move it off to the paper on the right here, and then saute the mushrooms real quick, and then it's soup's on, then I'm going to eat, and it's going to be good. And then also I'm going to stack more firewood on, get a nice toasty fire. It's actually a little chilly out here. All right, let's do the next flip. See how the bottom is looking? That's some clear liquid. It may be really close. So, bacon is delicious. Oops, I forgot to turn the camera off. Turned off record, but I didn't turn off the camera. Here I am mumbling to myself while I cook. All right, final flip. Feels really soft, but it's not clear liquid. I will give it just a few more, and then I'll pull it and then get the mushrooms on. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that patty. I got my mushrooms down here cut. I brought 4, but I'm just gonna cook 2. Set this right on top of the bacon. Let that rest. And I'm gonna leave all that awesome grease in there for the mushrooms. I pulled back the broccoli because I think it was done. Get a little salt. The fire gets its share. Okay. You know what I forgot to bring was butter. I forgot to bring any butter. I was going to throw a little cube of butter on top. The pan's looking a little dry in the back, so I might actually have to add a little oil. No problem. Still got a little bit of olive oil. Don't let it stick and or burn. those cook for a minute. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and call it done. I'm going to put the meat back on top. I'm going to sprinkle the bacon bits on there. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. And I don't want to burn, I got grease all over it. Crap. I'm going to burn this. Hold this. I'm going to get this grill off. If you missed my Yoler grill video, I'm going to link it in the description, of course. They actually sent it to me during burn ban, so I couldn't get out and do a proper cooking video with it because we had burn ban. Throw a bunch of wood. Alright, so I got my little Cabela stool out just so I could get close to the log while I eat. Oh yeah. Let's try the Let's try the broccoli. See how the broccoli came out. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Perfectly soft. Mmm. Nailed the broccoli. Cut into the meat. Okay, that tastes really good. Piece of bacon. Mmm. Wow. I gotta say, that is delicious. I mean, not to toot my own horn, but that is really good. Oh man. Oh man, tell you what. There's the meat. Might be a little done for some of you, but it tastes really good.